Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start now. Confirm your iPhone model supports Face ID and install the latest iOS update so software issues aren't the problem. Once done, clean the true depth camera area and remove any case or protector that could obstruct sensors. Next, go to Settings, tap Face ID and passcode, and enter your passcode to authenticate. This unlocks the setup and testing options. Don't wait. Those actions let the phone access the hardware and prepare you for the enrollment and diagnostic steps that follow. Now you'll enroll and run a live test. Tap Setup Face ID or Reset Face ID if there's an old scan. Follow prompts and hold the phone 10 to 20 inches from your face. Slowly move your head in a full circle so the true depth system captures different angles. This improves reliability for glasses, hats, and masks. Once enrollment completes, enable Face ID for iPhone unlock and the services you want. Finally, lock the phone and attempt an unlock to verify real-world performance across angles and lighting. Finish by validating Face ID in different lights and with accessories. If you wear sunglasses or frequently use a mask, add an alternate appearance to improve recognition. If Face ID fails, try turning Face ID off and on, install any pending iOS updates, then reset Face ID and re-enroll. This fixes corrupted scans. If the true depth camera still reports errors or won't enroll, make a Genius Bar appointment or contact Apple support since hardware repair may be required. One key tip: always rule out case or dirt before assuming hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.